Hey, everyone knows about nuclear energy, as this is the future of source of energy. Today, it is about the development in the field of nuclear reactor. The tiny, simple nuclear reactor that could change energy. The next step in nuclear power is 1 by 100 the size of today's reactors. When you hear the term nuclear power, you might immediately think of disasters that have resulted from either poor management or clashes with Mother Nature. But despite those incidents, nuclear power is still a very big deal for many countries, including United States, where nearly 60 nuclear plants operate in 29 states. India has 22 nuclear reactors in operation in 7 nuclear power plants. An Oregon energy startup has a modular nuclear power reactor 1 by 100 the size of traditional reactor and is far safer. The reactors can be installed in multiples to scale up or down to a location's power needs. Traditional nuclear plants are reaching end of life and the technology is simply outdated. NuScale Power studies new reactor technology from a lab on the Oregon State University campus, the same university where the 2019 climate crisis petition began. Their cutting-edge reactor is tiny and its proponents insist much safer than our existing notions of nuclear energy lead us to believe. NuScale's next generation nuclear reactor is tiny by comparison to today's operating reactors in the US. It's safe to install in clusters according to the power needs of specific area, and because of its tiny size, these reactors are much easier to encase in safety devices. In the NuScale reactor, a core is kept cooled by circulating normal fresh water as happens in today's operating nuclear plants on a much larger scale. Inside huge nuclear towers, most of the space is dedicated to cooling. The NuScale reactor uses gravity and buoyancy to naturally circulate the cooling water. The size difference is staggering. About the size of 2 school buses stacked end to end, you could fit around 100 of them in the containment chamber of a large conventional reactor. The reactor technology itself isn't completely different than before, it's just wildly more efficient and up to date. Let us compare this new updated nuclear reactor with the existing traditional reactors. The Byron plant generates 2450 megawatt electrical with 2 traditional towers. The largest reactor in the world topped out at about 8000 megawatt electrical. Each NuScale reactor rates 60 megawatt electrical, which sounds small because the reactor is small by design. Plants can install dozens at a time, or even better, our army of about 100 nuclear plants can be turned into 1000 small plants that provide more local power with less distance to travel. The Byron plant supplies millions of people up to 100 miles away, which has been fine, but local power bleeds less energy in storage, transit and other overhead energy costs. The modular nuclear reactors have 12,000 pages of technical information wending its way through the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. In the meantime, they are promising a clean, plentiful, cutting-edge energy source. They say it's just as good as wind and solar without the pitfalls. Only time will tell what is true and what is false. This approval doesn't mean you are going to start seeing these mini reactors popping up all around the place, but it's a big win for NuScale and it could be a boon for planet with increasing energy demands. Worldwide, there are over 400 commercial nuclear reactors producing energy for 31 countries. That's all about the tiny nuclear reactor. I hope you will connect with our channel for this type of cool and surprising facts. To connect, please subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you like this video.